Good morning, boys and girls. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are doing well. We've got tons of things going on over here. Collaborations, signs, getting ready for the seminar coming up in a couple weeks. We just got a ton of details to take care of. But we want to get to another sign carvers of the day because they're stacking up pretty fast. And don't forget, guys, if you'll remember, I love to get your pictures, but I can only take one picture per month per person. So this will take us through up until...
You
got him. Ding! That was a fly, by the way. This will take us up early August, through early August. So, let me wipe my hands off. I love it. Great. All right, first up, Mike Constantine, who we talk to quite often on the phone. We call him Mike from Boston. Anyway, great job, Mike. Love this sign. Actually, he just sent me another one that will be on a future Sign Carvers of the Day, but he likes making these big ones. Terrific job, Mike. Love it. Great job. And Mike's fairly early in his sign carving career. And no surprise here, my buddy from the UK, Alan Moody. Look at that. Is that spectacular? He did one a few months ago. You guys will remember it was the Joker. It was all purple, and he has just turned into a master sign carver. Yeah, fantastic.
Painter.
Huh?
And painter.
Yeah. Fantastic job, Alan. As always, beautiful work. This is Ahmed Al-Assadi. And now there's a funny story about this. I looked at it for about 5 minutes. I couldn't figure out what it was. I showed it to Dad. He couldn't figure out what it was. We were turning it trying to figure it out. I thought, well, I'll ask Vic. I asked Vicky in a second and a half. She knew exactly what it was. It's a mermaid on a rock. So, and it actually looks really, really good. I just was trying to look at it the wrong way, and me and Dad couldn't figure it out. It took Vicky to decipher it for us. Yeah, looks awesome. Great job, Ahmed. Pete Hernandez. So I don't have any details on this, but it looks like it's poplar to me. Has that kind of that green tint, but terrific job, Pete. This is only his second sign. Great job. Helen Higginbotham. And I don't have any details on this one either. I believe that's the logo for autism.
Yeah.
I believe it is.
Hope, teach, love, and inspire.
Yeah, I didn't have it written on the back, but yeah, I think this is the signal for autism. Great job, Helen.
Signal for autism?
Symbol. Did I say signal?
I knew what you meant.
Yeah, I was thinking bat signal because still got Batman. Anyway, great job, Helen. Jacine Palmer. I wish I had more. I could show you more pictures of this, but it's incredible sign. He sent me 2 or 3 pictures, but I can only do one. This is the best one I could do. But Jacine, man alive. So I think he used an airbrush for the color on here. Just absolutely spectacular. Great job, my friend. I absolutely love it. It just looks like a trophy. Beautiful job. Nick, took 2. Nick Pelkey, one of his very first signs. Great job. Love the dragon. Excellent. I don't know if that's considered a Celtic dragon or Chinese or what, but terrific job, Nick. Love it. Man, there's some really good stuff in here. Mike Shirley, Jim Shirley. Huh?
Is that Jim?
I think it is, but honestly, I didn't make any notes, but I think it is Jim. And for his first sign, holy moly. Look at the detail on that Masonic temple, or Masonic symbol. That's the symbol Masons, right? Mason symbol. Wow, my words are all messed up today. I'm trying to go too fast. Kim Nash. Love it. Look at the color on that top one. I really, really dig that. Rustic corner. And I don't have... the rustic corner is 30 by 30, and it's actually carved out of MDF. And then the Archerville is 36 by 12. Some big signs. Great job, Kim. Love it. Jason McGarrell from Ireland. He's the one I think that chimes in on the Friday Night Lives. Yeah. So this is for a band, Idols. 22 by 13 by inch and a half thick oak. Which oak is not real easy to carve. So kudos to you, Jason. It looks amazing. Looks really, really good. Love it. Great job. Gary Edwards. So this one's really cool. Reclaimed lap siding over plywood backer. And he put the frame on there. So it's reclaimed siding on a piece of plywood. Beautiful job. Love it. Great job, Gary. Dave Orlando. But I think that's the symbol, the logo for the Boston Bruins. Boston Bruins, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Which Boston Bruins, I think, are a hockey team. I think that's professional hockey. Vicky is looking totally confused, but most of that is because I'm speaking weird. I don't know what's gotten into me. Alan Smith. See, I said that good. Alan Smith. So what's it say?
Chains on my mood swing just snapped. Run.
Great job, Alan.
I need one of those.
Yep. Carving, what, 2 months?
Yep.
2 months. Terrific job. I like that font, too. Good job, Alan. Okay, so this is Spiro Karadimos, and this is his third sign. I took my time on pronouncing that name.
Hiding the sign, I can't see.
Oh, sorry.
Still hiding the sign. There you go.
Oh, okay. Good job, Spiro. This is his third sign. I think that's a Georgia Bulldogs, I think. All right. Moving on. Great job, Spiro. Doug Powell.
Ooh, good job.
Made for a dog rescue. Isn't that beautiful?
I like that.
Great job. Beautiful job, Doug. Zane Easley. Zane's been with us for a long time. Can't really see from the back side, but it looks like there's, what are those jars on there?
Mm-hmm. Canning jars. Savannah's or Sammy's cannery.
Sammy's Cannery. Yeah. Yeah. Good job, Zane. Nice color. Good job. Chuck Young. Made from sweet gum log. It says, look at the grain in that thing. Wow, that's gorgeous. Beautiful job. I love it, Chuck. Boy, some really cool stuff here. Dave Levesque. What a neat design. That is cool. Great job, Dave. Well, I hope you guys are getting some ideas and inspired by these. I sure am. Greg Anderson. So I believe that's our Betsy Ross flag. Very nice. Great job. Beautiful stuff, Greg. Jason Phillips. This is 2 foot by 4 foot cedar. Laminated, 5 5-inch pieces. 2x6s, 4 foot long. Wow, that's gorgeous, isn't it? I like that line around the edge that just kind of sets it off. Beautiful job. Gorgeous, Jason. This one's interesting, very interesting. Ron Johnston from Australia. The big special is carved, hand-filled the outset letters, then primed with primer, and then painted with auto silver. The black was hand-painted in the cloud. 3 coats of clear. Took him about 2 weeks to get it all finished up. Beautiful job. Very unique, Ron. I love it. Great job. Jad Johnson. And this is what? His very first sign.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
That better? I moved it up. I thought you wanted me to move
I
up.
wanted you to get the top of it up so that it wasn't all bent over.
She just gave me the stink eye, folks. I just got the official stink eye. That looks really cool. Does it say it's cedar? Because it looks like cedar from the backside.
This is his first sign.
Look at that shape. For his first sign, that's incredible. Wow. Beautiful job, Jad. Glenn Fournier. For a friend when he goes camping. He's a retired fire chief. So that's very apropos then. The fact that he burnt it with a torch. Great job. Beautiful, Glenn. Love it. Greg Breimer. So this is a box that he did some dovetail joints, and he did the carving with a profile bit. It's a 10 by 13, so it's not real big. 10 by 13 box.
Very cool.
Very cool. Great job, Greg. Doug Harden, his fifth sign. This is actually a rifle storage case. 18 by 48. That's cool. I love that image. That looks really, really neat. Great job, Doug. Andy Earl, another masterpiece from Andy. Great job, Andy. That is an amazing image on there. Look at all that detail. Love it, love it, love it. Terrific job, Andy. Jody Goodwin, first large sign. So he's a Marine Corps vet. Thank you for your service, Jody. And this is the Marine Hymn. And if you guys have never, I remember growing up watching war movies, listening to the Marine song, and all you have to do is type in Marine Hymn if you want to know what that song sounds like. Type that into YouTube, and you'll hear the song. It's really cool. I remember, again, watching movies when I was a little kid, hearing that tune. Terrific job. Love it. First large sign. Incredible. Ed Cole, second sign. This one's really cool. Very unique. It almost looks like, and I don't have any details, but it almost looks like the whole board is cut away and those letters are outset. I might be wrong on that, but that's the way the picture kind of looks. And unfortunately, I don't have any other details. But very cool. Great job, Ed. All right, so we have Rolov, one of his first signs.
Goodness.
Well, I'm reading, yeah. So that's actually Ruluf is the way you pronounce his name. Look at that.
What is that?
That looks like Beetle Kill Pine to me. Like the one I made, the Rockin' H. The way it has that bluing in there. That looks like Beetle Kill Pine to me. But I don't know for sure. This is one of his first signs. Very ambitious for a first sign. Great job, Ruluf. That's the way I have it written. Okay. Last but not least, Bill Ross. Oops. All right, so now this one's got an interesting story. See this over here on your right-hand side? He made that 24-inch round for a football coach. And the football coach loved it so much that they talked about doing this, and they want to sell these to the parents of the football players, which is, we've been talking about that as being a great niche. I think that's a great untapped resource out there for selling signs. So we'll see how that goes. So keep me updated on that, Bill. Great job. All right, boys and girls, that's it. My mouth is almost completely done now because I don't think I'll be able to pronounce anything for the rest of the day. So pardon my misspeaking. Anyway, love you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. There's the channel. There's the website if you need any supplies. If you do subscribe, be sure and click that little bell icon because we do 3 videos a week, actually 4 videos a week now, because we're starting to do the 4th video is Saturdays, is Dad's senior moment. So those, we're getting a lot of good response from those. So I hope you guys are doing well. Have a great week, and we love you. We'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.